Fourth part, let's continue. As we said, there is an open tag, there is a closed tag for headings, there is from H1 to H6, and what happens if we use, for example, H7, H8, H9 or H10, or how many of those tags we can use. So about these headings from 1 to 6, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is also 7, 8, 9, or we can set there 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 50 or 21 or whatever, but the result will be the same after we use this H6 open and close tags. So the point is, we can use headings from H1 to H6. Everything other will be displayed as a simple text. It is not a mistake, browser will recognize it automatically, but this is very bad to do. In the most of the times you're going to use only H1, 2 and 3. There will be no need for you to use 4, 5 or 6. So let's say, for example, in the most of the times you're going to use only those 3. The main will be H1, that is the main heading, and for example, if you have few more headings, you can say and set those H2 tag, and in the between you say this is the second heading and this is the main. And for the third one, no need, but it can be used also. For this video it is all. See you in the next one.